Guys, as you've mentioned in the first set, we saw some uncharacteristic errors from Joy Cases. And this is because she just trained for the first time with the Lady Altas yesterday. Coach Jason Tapin also told me that despite having an experienced lineup, he is expecting his team to show some first game jitters. So after losing the first set, he instructed the Lady Altases to focus more on their service reception and of course, their ball distribution. Recognizing the tall blockers of Arellano, Coach Tapin reiterates the importance of using one's head in this match. Because in every sport nga daw, it's no guts, no glory. But in the world of volleyball, it's no brain, same story. Back to you guys.
Ang galing naman nun. Ha? Pwede palang pang-privilege speech ito si Denise Tan Ganda nun
Ulit.
Dali natin sa camera yan. Argarin. Sartin. Yan na. April Sartin. Pag uminit, usually dire-diretso. Hanapin sa open dyan ni Argarin. Tignan mo naman taas ng lundag nitong batang to.
Actually, perfect set din.
Sabi, pwede na, Royce. Tikar. Combination. Henson. Tulak. Buhay pa rin. Sabi ni Diaz, ako na bala. Tikar. Nice setup for Salamagos. Pero ang ganda rin ng dig ni Tubino. Balse. Tikar. Sagon down the middle.
That's the way to go, you know. When you can do combination plays, you have to really go to that.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dana Henson, the former Lady Tamarao. Hirap sa pag-receive doon si Cases. Sartin, free ball. Balse. Tikar, quick set to Salamagos. Parang wala nang oras magbigay ng quick set kay Salamagos Nagawan pa rin ang paraan nito si Diane Tikar. Heady play by the Arellano setter.
That's smart hit there by Salamagos because talagang parang soft touch lang
Right. 10-5. Nadoble na naman ang ating score. Yan na naman yung mga mabibigat na serve nitong magaang na batang to. Tikar. Salamagos again. Argarin back set ngayon to Jane Diaz. Sagon. Tondada.
Nabasa na ni Tondada.
Sartin. Nabasa rin to ni Salamagos. Across. Bautista. Left-handed. Hala. Adlib. And a drop there by De La Paz. Yes.
Adlib muntik na mga tapilok na si Nene Bautista.
Yung sinabi pa nga si Nene Bautista pero parang Ilonggo 10-6.
Sipag sa black.
April Sartin. Balse. Tikar. Down the middle. Nice block by De La Paz. De La Paz. Binawian naman ito si Bautista.
That's right, a good block but an equally good coverage by Arellano.
So ito 11-6 ang ating sa ating talaan ngayon.
Good
nice serve by Sagun. Cases, naibalik. Salamagos. Wow, ang ganda ng kombinasyon nito si Tikaran sa kung sino man yung sentro nila at that time.
That's right. But you know, parang, again, yung sinasabi natin familiarity amongst players So sa FEU, I remember always saying that you lalo, see, diba, the connection talagang familiarity.
Huwag ka na lumayo sa San Sebastian dati. It was Devanadera and Ancheta.
Yes.
Yun ang perfect combination sa quick hit. Let's take a look at this play once again. Depensa naman na ginamit that time ni Salamagos.
She's really tall,
Ano bang tingnan natin kung
taller niya? Nene Bautista.
6-footer na yan kung mas matangkad siya kay Nene. Wow. Joy Cases. Delivering.
Well, you expect Joy Cases to get her game fast.
Tsaka si Joy, kailangan humingi na ng bola at this point habang nasa harapan pa siya.
That's right.
Jane Diaz. Balse. Tikar. Bautista sa open. Yes.
Yun yung Nene Bautista, her follow through and her contact, ang bilis. So it's really hard to block Nene Bautista.
Beltran papasok, papalitan muna si Salamagos for serving purposes. And Girly Beltran will also be patrolling the back line. So Beltran to put it in play. Here's Argarin ngayon. Combination play to Joy Cases. Beltran with the dig. Here's Bautista. Argarin. Cases. Yes! Ayan na, mainit na.
Like you said, kailangan humingi lang siya ng bola.
Oo. One of the veterans of the sport, Joy Cases. Actually, very underrated, I would think.
Yeah.
Joy Cases in that position. Rochelle De La Paz. Diane Ticar. Nene Bautista. Why not?
Why not? Combination, Balse, Bautista. Wow.
15-8. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shake East P-League. Bautista. Argarin. Tubino, kinaliwa. Ticar, back set, Balse. Mabuti, nakareact pa rin to si Cases. Ticar, mabilis naman papunta kay Balse. Cases out there again. Henson. Diaz. Good idea, bad result.
That's
Para
right.
kay Joy Cases. 16-8, lamang na naman ang 8 ang Arellano.